We're in a sports coach by Coachmen, diesel pusher motorhome. Customer that wants to go for long vacations, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. People that want to experience the country, or just down the street, down to Tunnel Mountain or down to Mount Kidd just for a camping weekend. You can do it both. This is a very unique one. Very open floor plan. 2 bathrooms in this. An ensuite, basically bathroom. This one is really designed bigger than most apartment buildings downtown Calgary. So we're dealing with something that is, well, you can live in it. It's a home by itself. Totally self-contained. This one even operates through your cell phone. You can turn the generators on. You can turn lights on and off. You can sit outside with a cold drink in your hand and operate the slides, the awnings. It's amazing. It's all through your smartphone. Coachman's got the history and the backing and the knowledge to know what they're doing. One of the very few coaches that have 50 to 60% more steel than a lot of coaches. So you're dealing with a very rugged, durable, dependable coach. Just to give you an example, there's a lot of coaches, we have these cutouts for windows, and you'll find old construction systems that would enable a wall to what they call delaminate or pop this fiberglass out because it's just a wood backer in behind. They stopped doing that back in the 80s with a lot of brands. Coachmen doesn't do that, as you can tell. It's double the thickness, but they use a composite material in behind. They've never had any delamination or structural issues with cracking in that because of these air pockets in the wall, because they're doing it right. You know, you need to have a really experienced manufacturer to enable to, with this big investment, make sure you got a dependable coach that's going to last 5, 10, 15 years down the road instead of 2 or 3. We are the motorhome place. We're RVers for RVers. And I think the owners have always said it. We want to be the consultants you love, not the salespeople you hate.